This is Flying Paper Airplanes to the Moon, a digital painting by Greg Cannon. That's me, I am the Time Dog. And today we'll stare at the moon. So you're 7 or 8 and the moon is keeping you up. Your uncle showed you how to fold paper airplanes and you wonder how high they could go. And soap bubbles too. What's the maximum height before they pop in the last glimmer of a dream? Could they carry you? And what will the moon look like when you get there? 'Cause Mama, that's where the fun is. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Time Dog Tours.